Okay, alright, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be going through the PSLE 2024 question. So this is question number 28. So let's begin now. So state the two function of root. Okay, this is actually a textbook question answer question or textbook answer. Okay, so you can actually refer it to even your new textbook. Okay, P4 page 10. Okay, so they will say some roots hold the plant firmly to the ground. That's the first part. The roots also helps the plant to absorb water and mineral salts. That will be the second part. So these two will be your answers. Absorb water and mineral salts, hold the plant firmly to the ground. Okay. Some schools may ask you to use the word anchor. So you may write it in this way. Okay. Roots helps to absorb water and mineral salts. You can even add from the ground. Anchor or hold the plant firmly to the ground. So both are acceptable. Okay, so just choose one of the verb to use it. Now we go on to part B. The diagram shows two plants, E and H. Okay, so you have E, you have H, and they ask you to state the differences between the structures of the roots of E and H. So E and H, you take a look at the roots over here. They are a little bit more longer and it's deeper into the ground, while this one is much shorter. Okay, and it's nearer to the ground, so we can say that if it's nearer to the ground, we can say shallow. Okay, this is deep. Okay, in this case. Okay, so this is one difference. Okay, plant E has long and deep roots. H have short and shallow roots. So when talk about differences, you can say while or but. Okay, both are fine. Okay, plant E grow in a place with little rain. Explain why E has an advantage in such condition. So usually places with little rain, right? The top surface here, right? The top surface here will be very dry. Okay, most of the water will be found underneath the ground. Okay, so it will be more advantageous for plant E in this case, because plant H, right, the roots, right, is very shallow. It cannot reach to the deeper part of the ground to be able to absorb the water. But plant E can. Okay, it's able to reach to the deeper part of the ground to absorb the water. Okay, so in this case, it will be plant E can use its longer roots to absorb water from the deeper parts of the ground. Okay, that's all for this question.